Do you ever spend loads of money on dog toys and then they instantly tear them up? Well, here are some ideas about how you can use items that you might be throwing away to keep these guys entertained. So we'll start with a really easy one. Get one of their favourite balls and an old sock. This one is literally falling apart. It's going to go in the bin. So you want to take the sock, put the ball inside it, and tie a knot at the end. And instead of spending loads of money on new tug toys, you've got a DIY one right in front of you. What's this? What's this? What's this, buddy? What is it? So I'm sure we've all got lots of delivery boxes and packaging from various things. So instead of spending loads on those puzzles to keep your dogs entertained, use what you've got. So a really easy way of doing this as an enrichment idea is to take a box, empty box, and just rip up loads of paper. Just into small strips. And fill the box with that. You can put in loads, you can put in a little bit as well. What are we doing here, buddy? Just into little strips. If you want to screw it up, that's absolutely fine too. Just anything to keep it interesting for your dog, so when they sniff and they tear at it in just a minute, there's lots of different things for them to do. Do a little bit more, we've got some paper here. This just came from a delivery. And then once your box is pretty much full, and the good thing is you can reuse this paper as well, so it's not something that will just be used once because it doesn't matter if your dog tears it. In fact, it's even better. Here we go, we're getting full now. Looking for appliances you can trust to help you create more than just meals? With KitchenAid, you get more than just great tools. You get a brand that's been supporting home cooks and food lovers for over a century. So whether you're mixing dough, blending smoothies, or experimenting with new recipes, KitchenAid products are built for versatility and for lasting performance. Everything from the iconic stand mixer to blenders and food processors is designed to help you express your creativity and get consistent results every single time. And with new colours like Flutter for 2025, you can add a personal touch to your space while enjoying innovation you can count on. Click the link in the description. KitchenAid. Classic style, endless possibilities. You're being very well behaved, and I think I know why. Because behind me I've got some of his favourite treats. Yeah, serious. I've got some of his favourite treats. You can take a handful of treats. Over here. Sit. Sit. And just lift up some paper and just sprinkle the treats inside. Just in various different layers on top. Let's give him a few more. Pop it in the middle. Wait. Okay. And there we go. You can relax and get on with what you need to do while they are entertained with a lovely enrichment toy that has cost you nothing. Next up, we're going to take one of his favourite items and turn it into a treat dispenser. So we're going to take some scissors, very carefully, near your dog, and cut 2 holes fairly near the top on the opposite side. So we're going to cut 2 little triangles at the very top, just enough to thread a piece of string or a shoelace through. So I'm just going to get rid of the plastic so we don't get that on the floor anywhere. Fantastic. So you can see here, we've got 2 holes, 1 on either side. Now we are going to take a shoelace or a piece of string or whatever you have handy, and the key now is to push the water bottle the other way. So the 2 holes essentially match up because you are going to thread that string through. So you don't want to get it lost in the bottle. There we go. Fantastic. And then just sort of put it back into a little bit of a shape. There we go. And now we're going to tie it up and get it ready for Dexter to play. You excited? I'm just going to do it between my two kitchen cupboards. But you can do it anywhere, as long as you can tie the string up or the shoelace up. Make it a little bit lower so he can reach it properly. And we're going to take a few of his favourite treats. Oh, sit. Good boy. And pop them in. And the key here is to see if he can figure out how to get them out. So this one was a little bit too challenging for Dexter, clearly. There we go, finally got one out. But if your dog did manage to get any of the treats out by themselves, let me know down in the comments. We'll keep trying, won't we, buddy? We'll keep trying. So there you go, some easy ways that you can use items that you were going to throw away to entertain your bestie. So if you've got any ideas or hacks that you've used, let us know down in the comments, and we'll see you next time.